Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're showing you this 4-port data hub. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. Now, you get plenty of cable, and you don't actually have to plug this in unless you're using the ports for powering different devices that take a little more power. So if you go ahead and you press and hold a button, okay, so you just tap it and it turns on, then you press and hold to turn it off. So you press it to turn each one on, you get a blue light. And again, unless you're using something that takes more power, you don't have to use this. But if you are using something like a hard drive, USB hard drive on here, or something that takes a little more energy, you're gonna wanna go ahead and plug this right in there and this into the wall, some wall outlet. But yeah, it's nice, guys. So we're going to use this on our little hub station over here. That way we can connect different stuff. It's nice, guys.